Let me guess. You've got great ideas for YouTube videos. But the second you sit down to actually make them, you hit a wall. Maybe you don't have the right editing software. Maybe you hate the sound of your own voice. Maybe you've got zero time to sit and trim clips for hours. Or maybe, just maybe, you have no idea where to even start. Look, you're not alone. Every small creator starts here. It's frustrating, right? Watching other channels blow up while you're stuck struggling with script. But what if you could turn that idea in your head into a full, ready-to-upload video in minutes? No editing timeline, no camera, no voice recording, no messy downloads. Just your idea, or a script, or even a blog post, and in a single place where it all comes together. Whether you want to turn text into engaging videos, transform a simple URL into a YouTube-ready script, edit your clips by editing text, or even convert a PowerPoint into a YouTube short, this tool can do it. All of it. And the best part? You don't need a single second of editing experience. Let me show you how it works, and how I've been creating content 5x faster without spending a dime.
All right, let's jump in. We've just landed on a platform that looks pretty normal, but it hides a serious shortcut to professional-looking YouTube videos. No editing degree required, no hours lost in timeline chaos. First things first, sign in. Click Sign In. Once you're in, you'll see 6 options staring back at you, like a productivity menu disguised as Netflix. Text to video, URL to video, image to video, script to video, PowerPoint to video, and record. Also known as the I like pain button, because really, who wants to record manually these days?
What if I like pain?
We're going with text to video. Click it. Now pick your aspect ratio, 9:16 for shorts, 1:1 for square platforms like Instagram. But we're going with 16:9, your classic widescreen YouTube format. Next, click Start with an idea. And here's where things get interesting. You're not just typing into a blank box, Pictory actually asks what kind of video you want to create. Explainer, marketing, product intro, tutorial. We'll go with explainer. Because today we're explaining the wonders of wildlife. Now choose your platform, YouTube, and your target length. Let's say 30 seconds to 1 minute. That keeps things short, sweet, and snackable. Type in your topic, let's go with wildlife, then hit Generate Script. Boom. Within seconds, Pictory gives you a full YouTube-ready explainer script about wildlife. Not bad, right? You can even tweak the tone, the length, and the platform with simple sliders. If the script sounds like Shakespeare and you wanted Mr. Beast, just adjust and regenerate. Once you're happy with the script, hit Generate Video. This is the part where most creators open 10 browser tabs, start dragging in clips, and get lost in a black hole of editing, but not today.
Okay, well that's good.
After a few minutes, just enough time to refill your coffee, Pictory spits out a full video with about 20 scenes. And here's the crazy part. Each scene is perfectly matched with your script. No awkward clips, no close enough results, just actual relevant visuals pulled straight from their library. It's like having a mini production team. That works for free. Want to change a clip? Easy. Click on any scene. Then hit the Visuals tab on the left. Now you can browse thousands of clips. Some are premium, but most are free, even on the free plan. Found a better wildlife shot? Just click it. Boom. It replaces the old one instantly. Feeling fancy? You can upload your own footage too. Now, let's bring this thing to life. Head over to the Audio tab. You'll see a lineup of AI voiceovers filtered by gender, accent, age, and vibe. Not robotic, not dramatic, just clear and humanish. Not a fan of AI voices? No problem, you can upload your own, or even record directly inside Pictory. Now, let's talk music. Pictory automatically picks a track for you, but if you want to change it, click Audio and explore the full library. You can filter by mood, genre, video length. even what kind of vibe you want your audience to feel. So yes, and you can make your wildlife video feel like a Marvel trailer if you really want to.
Avengers, time to work for a living.
Next up, Style tab. This is where you make your subtitles look intentional, fonts, colors, text animations, layout. Want to add more text to the video? Go to the Text tab. Introduction, outro, quotes, you name it. Now let's add your branding. Click branding, then hit create brand. I named mine Tool Drop. Uploaded a logo. Picked one brand color. And chose a font that didn't look like 1998 word art. Now, every video you make looks and feels like you made it. Consistency builds trust. Feeling spicy? Go to the Elements tab, add emojis, stickers, GIFs tastefully. Last step, the Format tab. Want to switch to Shorts or Instagram Reels? Change the aspect ratio right here, and choose your resolution, 720p on the free plan and 1080p on paid. Finally, click Preview. Check the full video. If something feels off, tweak it. If it's good to go, click Download. Free plan comes with a watermark. Paid plans, clean and ready for upload. And that's it, you just created a full YouTube video, without touching a video editor, without writing a script, without losing your mind.
Did you know that wildlife is all around us? Every forest, ocean, and desert teems with life. Today, let's explore why wildlife matters. Wildlife refers to all living things in nature. This includes animals, plants, fungi, and bacteria. Each plays a vital role in our ecosystem.
All right, let's take it up a notch.
First, let's consider.
This time, instead of starting with an idea, I choose URL to video. Pictory opens a fresh tab where I simply paste the URL. I go with something epic, spacex.com, yup, straight from Elon's digital playground. Then, just like before, I choose the video type, explainer, platform, YouTube, and length 30 seconds to 1 minute, hit generate script, and bam! Pictory writes the whole thing in seconds. No rocket science needed. I can still tweak the script here if I want. Adjust the tone, rewrite a sentence or two, or even change the aspect ratio. This one stays 16:9. And here's the best part. Because I already created my brand in the previous video, I can just select it here, and Pictory adds my logo, fonts, and brand colors automatically. Efficiency, 10 out of 10. I hit generate video and wait a couple minutes. Pictory works its stock footage magic again. I replace a few clips that feel off, add an AI voiceover, tweak the music, and yes, one last click to download.
Welcome to Space Launch Complex 4 East at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. Nestled along the picturesque coastline, this site offers unique launch advantages. It provides access to high inclination and polar orbits. These orbits are essential for satellite communication, national security launches, and Earth observation. When rockets launch southward from Vandenberg, they soar.
Okay, let's jump back to the Home tab real quick. Now, if you already have your own videos, you don't need to start from scratch. Just click on AI Video Editor, upload your footage, and boom! You can trim, cut, rearrange scenes, add captions, visuals, voiceovers, basically everything your editing software does, but faster and with fewer emotional breakdowns. If you've ever tried editing a 15-minute vlog on a 7-year-old laptop, you know exactly what I mean. Now, a quick shout out to two underrated features, image to video and PPT to video. You can take a bunch of photos and turn them into a professional looking video, perfect for reviews, lookbooks, even testimonials. Or if you're that person who loves PowerPoint, yes, there's hope. Just upload your presentation and let Pictory turn it into a clean, branded video without all the clunky transitions. Alright, that wraps this part. Video done. VoiceOver added, download complete. And no, we still haven't left the browser tab.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, man.
Alright, quick look at the pricing before we finish. Pictory offers 4 main plans. The starter plan is $19 a month, perfect if you're just getting started. You get 200 video minutes and basic access to stock footage and voices. The professional plan is $39 a month. This one's stacked. 600 minutes, 5 brand kits, and access to 11 labs. AI, voices in 29 languages. Need more? The team plan gives you 1,800 minutes for multiple users, and for big teams, there's a custom enterprise plan with unlimited everything. Best part? You can try any plan completely free, no credit card, just dive in. So here's your move. Try it out, make your first video, and drop a comment below telling me how it went. What did you make? Was it easy? Was it fun? I read every single comment, and I reply.